welcome to Card Making with Crystal. And
Hi, I'm Tia.
my son's joining me. Yay, school's almost out. Okay, so today we're making one of my absolute favorite cards. It's a teepee card. It looks like this, but we're making it for Christmas. So a teepee card looks like a teepee tent. It's cool. So you see, this is for birthday. This one is for a welcome baby with a little elephant. How cute is that? Yay. So let's go down. Hey guys, all the measurements are in the description box, so let's get started. So excited. I love teepee cards. First thing we're going to do is some scoring, then some cutting, then some putting together. The fun part. So you need 3 of these to make a teepee card, and we're gonna score it diagonally. Crystal, how do you score diagonally? Okay, this is how you score diagonally. So you're putting your bone folder at 6, taking it down, putting the paper at 6, and then pulling it up until you get to the paper. So the paper now is perfectly in the middle, and then you score. It's perfectly scored that way. Now I want you to grab your guillotine paper cutter, and you're cutting all of these papers diagonally, just like we cut this one with our sentiment, which I already stamped. So you're going to take this piece and put it in your paper cutter, and I'm going to let Chase do the honors. Well done, Chasey Bear. We're going to continue doing this. And we're ready to put this card together. So you're taking one of these, you're putting it down, then you're taking one of this, you're putting it under, and making sure the line is on that line, or it can fold like this perfectly. And then you're doing it on this side as well. So it should look like this. When you open it, it should look like this. What I normally do, I make a little line here and a little line here. So now I know where to put my glue. So we're going to stick this down now. What I want you to do is I want you to put glue all, let me just color it, all right? So you're putting glue all over here. So this entire area should have glue stopping right here. So let's do that. Then I'm going to take this piece and stick it down like so. What I want you to do now is make sure, close it and make sure this piece is really stuck in there and it's really on the line, right? And you just rub it in. And let's put the glue on the side as well, one time, so we can stick it all down at the same time. So we got our glue. Once again, you're putting this underneath, sticking it down, making sure it's lined up perfectly, and you're closing it like this. So there is supposed to be that little bit of paper that you're seeing here, right? Want to see something? That's your teepee card. How cute is that? So you have your teepee card made. It's 3 pieces of 5x5 paper, and it's super simple. Now let's decorate it. I want you to open it on the right side now. Alright guys, so this is the card. I mean, already it looks gorgeous already without any decorations. However, we're not leaving this card like this because we want it to look like this. We're literally going to make this card look exactly like this one. So I'm leaving this here so you can see. So let's get started. So I want you to start with this. So this is one strip of 12 by 1 inch. I made sure and I cut a gorgeous scalloped edge there. And we're just going to go back and forth because we're making a paper rosette or a paper pinwheel. So I've gotten my rosette sealed. I just put a dab of glue and it's all sealed up now. Now I'm going to actually form it into a rosette. So I'm going to drop it down, push it together so it gets really nice and tight in the middle there, and hold it together. I'm going to take my glue gun and drop big dots of glue. You're going to have to hold it for a minute because the glue has to dry. Once it's dried, flip it over, put a dot of glue on the other side as well, just to make sure it's well sealed. That's what you're looking to do now. You're sealing the rosette to make sure it stays closed on your card. So let's get started decorating this card. Look at that. Look at that gorgeousness. I mean, can you imagine receiving this for Christmas? And I just clip it to the bottom there and it works. Joy. So we have two gorgeous Teepee cards that you can give to someone for Christmas. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this gorgeous teepee shaped card. So it's called a teepee card. If you try it, leave me a comment. Let me know. I'm always excited to see and hear about when people try my projects. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. There's going to be a lot more coming on next year for the channel. I am so excited about it. I hope you have a Merry Christmas and stay crafty, my friends. Bye.
Bye.